So today we are in Runaway Bay and we're staying at this awesome guest house. It's called Soon Come Villas. Yes, Soon Come Villas. And I just want to take you on a little tour and show you the environment, how beautiful this place is. And yes, it's in Runaway Bay in Jamaica. I promise you, quiet, peaceful. Let me just show another sign here. So, Soon Come Villas. Yes. And it's on 43 Edwards Avenue in Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay. I see the phone number there. If you're coming in, I recommend it. Nice place. I'm going to carry up on a tour of the insides. I'm going to see how inside look, but me have to just show a little bit more of the landscape. How pretty the place is. The place is nice, man. Trust me. If every part of Jamaica did stay like down here, so Jamaica would be a nice place to live. Sweet jam down. The only problem is dollars not around. Yep, villas for rent. Soon Come Villa. See the phone number there. Remember to write it down. Make we go inside now. And we walk in. So inside is set up like a regular living room. It has 4 bedrooms to this over outside the kitchen. And it's like a dining room area there. There's a little workstation there. And yeah, the kitchen and all of the other areas around this are dining area. And there's 1 bedroom around here, so too. And then the pool area. Show you back up front the living room so now. And then you have the bedrooms, the major bedrooms over to the other side. Let me show you the pool. Bedrooms around here so. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Morning. You have a key for? the way you blend with the landscape. Red cherry, the people them knees very tree now. See? Lizard can't drop on her. She can't climb Neesbury tree. Neesbury. And this place is called Soon Come Villas in Runaway Bay. Soon Come Villas in Runaway Bay. Yep. Beautiful property. Yeah.
Don't do it with Instagram and then you delete it if you don't want it on your Instagram. But I want it to on Instagram.
Why don't stop?
The blame have to come off of me.
Watch a big man. Watch a big man. Eh? Watch a big man.
Big man thing.
Watch how one with him
Find
put
the
up.
swing.
That one with him put up. Like if they are waiting there, you know, to get the White House.
Well, I don't make you take a video and send it show the keen of what really are going down here.
No, we can't just take a video, so I say, you know.
The swinging, important.
Oh, me must do this again.
Or me, one on the two.
Yeah, that's the big man from reggae to reggae, folks.
Reggae to reggae.
Reggae to swing.
We're all piled up in this minivan, heading to breakfast. The whole family of we.
The whole of us families are going to look to the foods.
Some authentic breakfast.
And we shall be eating and we shall be drinking. I wonder if them have no ginger tea down there. Them have. I say leaf alive. Me boy leaf alive. You stay there. Can run duppy.
Everybody say hi to YouTube.
Everybody say hi to YouTube. Really ashes. Really ashes.
Hi YouTube. Peace YouTube.
Them Jamaican people are them tan bad and feisty. You want to look a wave. Them not even look around on the camp for verse. Road we say in the hills of Runaway Bay St. Anne. St. Andrew. I mean St. Anne. And so on gully there, back up there so. All the dumpling. The man get all of the dumpling. Check. Everybody else have hungry for dumpling. And Candy make sure us are too. Joshua over there, so. Yes. With their jerkies. Runaway Bay. See that? Jerkies Runaway Bay. Yeah. And we are work. I will talk to you guys. I get saltfish and bean. And we'll talk to you guys in the future. Hallelujah. And then we get some peppermint tea right here, sir. Yeah, can you know? For sort out. Yeah, see that peppermint tea. Yeah, before we eat anything, have to drink up some peppermint. Yes. Hey, Candy, the tea tastes good. Cheese and beef. I put in all of them follow me and get peppermint tea. Trust me, that tea tastes good. Morning. The fridge down here. Here, Gary.
Oh, wait. I don't want that. Oh, I would pay this potato.
Wow. Look. Sorrel, mango, carrot, sour sap. It tastes good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's nothing. In Jamaican store, guys. Jamaican store.
Check out the bun.
Bun and
I'm gonna know
cheese.
this brand. Wholesome. Sweet is.
Ovaltine crackers.
Crackers. These are so good. Royal wheat crackers are so good.
Your brother Gary on the radio. Jamaica, we're there. Big up on yourself. And superior there. Avocado.
Papaya.
Oh, a papa.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you love the scenery.
Yeah, man, nice, man. I like it, man. I like it, man.
Philip, buy some now.
It's a real ginger pea? Compared to the big old monster ginger there.
The pumpkin never nice. Alright. I curry that.
Skeleton.
I curry that.
Yeah, man, the pumpkin pretty, man. Pretty, man. That's a sauce of turmeric.
Dry, man.
That's your ginger there. Fresh ginger with the red dirt. Come now, make a move. Blessings here, sir. It's a video. Me and the boy there, St. Here. Chilling. Maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. Just done eat breakfast. And now we acting the food. Yeah, St. Day. How you keeping? How you feeling? Jamaica vlogs. Do it for the vlog, do it for the vlog, do it for the, do it for the, do it for the, do it for the. Asha came there. She shall drink back juice. I'm all it, I'm gonna say.
I practice.
Drinking back juice. Back juice drinker. Asha came. And see, back juice drinker. And that boy over there said drink back juice. Man, no drink back juice from base. Asha. May Lord have mercy upon me, Jesus, Savior, pilot name. Me give her back juice now, she want change it. You see this woman gonna be the death of me.
The broke of you. EBT of you.
While we're there, we eat the look of food. And now we're there, wait pan call to come from barber shop. Me tell Carl long time same head big, but he never believe. Eh? If I Steve at 10 minutes man I take and come out. Cause your head small. You see? My head have too much lump. You should have go up and come back down to about 12:30.
Oh, mother's there.
Mother's who? See, you really are not the something where I put your mouth on the something. You know much madman is touch or something?
You watch madman sit down there?
Yeah, but at least, you know? Yeah.
Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, say no vow, we can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Banks and ranks come from mash up the place.